I'm Dan Smith, I'm the Operations Director at Minima Sliding. AR Design Studio came to us wanting to push the limits of the system. They wanted a 14-metre wide span with 2.4 metres high in 4 panels across the main elevation. So we're talking about 350 kilo units at around 8.5 9 square metre panels, which is close to our maximum. AR Design were already well aware of the system and wanted to use it, and they kind of built the extension around the door system rather than filling a door opening with a door. What I really like about this project is it perfectly captures all of the effort we put in at the back end to make sure jobs go completely smoothly. By that I mean we've carried out a pre-survey visit, a meeting with the builder to establish how to prepare the opening in order for us to carry out the survey. Worked with them by phone or video call to make sure that happens. Then we come to do the survey visit to take the measurements. And then in between survey and installation, we do what we call a pre-installation visit to check that any other works that needed doing in preparation had been done, that the steel hadn't deflected anymore. And only then do we come and install the doors. And that just guarantees that we have a completely smooth and seamless installation process, which is one of the things we pride ourselves on. What's also really nice about this project is this silver finish here. It's an anodized finish. It works really well with all material finishes, but particularly well with this sort of colour timber. I think why people really like it is it disappears in the daylight. So it's an already frameless system, but it becomes even more frameless using this silver colour. Another thing I really like about this project is the use of a fixed corner. Here, having the fixed corner enables the client to have a nice plant feature as well as a corner connection of 2 sofas, which wouldn't be possible if all panels were moving. One of the most challenging aspects of this project was not only the size of the units, but it was also about lining up the interlocks with the existing steels. So when I came to measure this project, we actually, rather than measure an opening, we measured the steels we had to line the interlocks with, and then give the contractor the size of the opening we required. So with a project like this involving such large heavy panels, access is crucial to make sure we can get the glass panels from our lorry on the road all the way to the door opening. During construction, the place gets pretty messy, and this was no exception. So there was a lot of work involved to make sure that we had a level access. What we really like about working with practices like AR Design Studio is the attention to detail. This is all crucial to that perfect finish we're all looking to create.